So hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK Codify, and in this video we are going to talk about the JSON. JSON is simply a data format. There have been a lot of data format. You might have heard about CSV, TXT, XLS, and XML. Definitely XML in the recent past dominated the industry. Now the JSON is dominating the industry. Um, So what this data format is used for transferring the data from one source to another destination, okay, on the network. Let's talk about the type of format, the JSON format. It is a key value pair based data format. Okay, you can see here is a sample. You can see this is the key: first name, last name, department code. These are the keys and their corresponding values are stored. So it is simply easily human readable, and readable. It's just not readable but truly readable in the sense of with the sharing the meaning of it. Okay, let's say in the CSV, if you in the CSV you will find something like, um, 1001 comma IT comma Ashekar. So this is also readable. This is also readable. But who knows what is this? Okay. Who knows what is this? And who knows which is the first name and last name? Okay. But here, okay, these problems are also solved in XML, but this JSON is a little lightweight from that XML also. Okay. So you can see here this is pretty much clear what the information is saying. Okay, it is lightweight, and where, so these data format are used where, um, for communication between two services, communication between two services. um, these data formats are used for, configuration purpose, that you might have definitely seen in the XML format. XML was being heavily used for configuration, storing the configuration information. So this JSON data also used heavily in the REST communication, HTTP based communication, and now it is common to see the JSON data as configuration. In the configuration also there are a lot of, and I think all of the modern tools are using the JSON format for storing their configuration. Now here in the JavaScript, what what is important to learn about JSON is there is two important method. Okay, the two methods are parse method and the stringify method. Okay, the stringify method, stringify. Okay, let's see that. So we have this is string. Okay, you can see this is an string. There is first name, last name, some values are stored. So also note here that the key and value should both be in the code, double quotes, when you are creating a JSON data. Okay, you can uh, take this note. Okay, keys are also in the double quote and values are also. Okay, but this is a JSON string. But when you have a JSON object transformed, JSON in an object format, then you will see different, means you don't require to have this key in a mm, double quote. Okay, let's see that. So what we are going to do here is we have a string JSON data, and now we are going to convert that in a object. But before going to convert in an object, we are just going to print this. Okay, um, console.log, um, just print this data. Okay, JSON data, and try to see that how does it look like. Okay, it's looking like this. Okay, now what we are going to do, mm, we are going to convert this JSON string into object, and I will tell you why I'm going to convert it into object. Give me a moment. Okay, let JSON object is equal to, we have a class called JSON and we have a static method of that, parse method, and you just supply the JSON string. Okay, it's a JSON string. JSON data is in a string format. Okay, now print this JSON object and now see the output. Okay, it'll, yeah, here it is. Why this two times printing is, what am I printing is, am I doing something else? Okay, okay, so why this is coming, okay, forget about it now. You can see this is coming in this format. This is just JSON object format. So now see the difference why I created this object. If I have to call the name, okay, JSON object dot, uh, I can call this like this way also. I think first name, or okay, I have to provide this by the name, first name. Okay, I can get it. Okay, you see, I don't know from where I'm getting this entire JSON string. Okay, I don't know where it is printing. Maybe somewhere. I don't know. I don't see this. Okay. Here. Oh, sorry. So this was a mistake. Okay. So you can see. Let me print this again. You see this? I am able to get this name. Why we need this JSON object? To get the appropriate particular key. If I have this string only, so let's say understood this. If I have only JSON data, how can I get the first name only? I can't get it. Okay, I need to do a lot of work to do to get only the first name. Okay, so that is the reason JSON object. Using the JSON object, we can get specific information from that object. Okay, and again, as you can see, the JSON object is looking like this. It's not a string, it's a JSON object. Okay, so we need to send the JSON data when we are calling the REST API. When we are calling an API, in the body we have to send the JSON string, not the object. Okay, so for that purpose we need to convert the object into the string. For that purpose we need this one. I'm saying let JSON string is equal to, again this is the utility class JSON dot get stringify, and in this time we are just passing this object method, I mean object, JSON object here, and now we are back getting this JSON string. Okay, you see this. So I think you understand what is the, what I'm trying to say is, when we have to convert, when we have to get the string from JSON object, we use this stringify method, and when we need this, when we have to call the API, REST API, and send the data into the request body. Okay, and at the same time, in the response we get the, in the response from the REST API we get the string. Okay, we get the response string. Now here we want a specific information, certain particular information from the response, so we convert that response string into the into a JSON object, and then get that particular information like that, JSON data and something like first name. So you are going to use a lot of oftenly this what I'm doing, okay, JSON object, sorry. So most of the time you are going to use this uh, this two method, parse and stringify. Okay, so for this video, that's it all about. Take care and thank you.